Horse taught me how to keep galloping. Dog taught me the power of unconditional love. Ant taught me persistence. Lion taught what's royalty's true sense. Cow taught me what being a veggie is. Cat taught me even mysteries are beautiful and liberation is an art. Pig taught me how to bear the crap spread by others. Donkey taught simplicity too is an art. Monkey taught me never to look into a devil's eye. A squirrel taught me how to save for the winter spy. Mouse taught me never to undermine anyone. Birds taught how to fly in dreams unison. Tortoise taught me even walking slowly is a grace. Wolf taught me how to work in a team with an equal pace. Elephant taught me how to walk in joyous pride. And an eagle taught me to test my wings and know limits even have the skies. Happy World Animal Day. Learning is an art. This poem is an excerpt from the book A Gift, Your Self-Help Companion to Life at Crossroads, authored by 𝘕𝑒𝑟 It also featured in 𝙪, Poems on Love, Life and Wisdom, edited and compiled by Shubham Singh.